Hello YouTube. Well, here we have it, the Apple AirTag in India, and obviously we need a connector, so I have got the Apple leather keyring. So let's unbox it. So this is how the package came with. So huge package for just the small AirTag and the ring. So let me open this package. So here we got the pull tab. So it's just like a box where you get the lightning cable or something like that. So it's a flat one. So there is I guess there won't be any Apple stickers or something like that. So just some paperwork, and we have the AirTag inside. So this is a personalized one. Oops, sorry. So after that disaster, so let's open the AirTag here. So this is the personalized one, as I told. So apart from that, I guess we just have the paperwork, nothing more. So there is no charger. Obviously we have a user replaceable battery, the same thing that goes into most of your remote key for your car or something like that, the CR232 one. So let me take the tab. So here, once we pull this, hear this sound, and yeah, so that's the sound it makes. So it gets instantly turned on. There is no on off switch or something like that. So kind of Apple here. So immediately you get a notification on your phone. So just like you pair your AirPods or your Apple Watch, so it's quite simple. You just have to select what kind of accessory you're gonna link this with, then it's gonna register with your Apple ID. So I'm gonna do that, and it will assign some name, so you can change it later in your Find My app. So it's getting connected now. So with the iPhone 11 and above with the U1 chip, so you get precise location tracking again, so which is a good thing. So and also it works with any phone from iPhone 6s or anything that runs iOS 14.5. so you have to be updated to the latest software. So here we have it set up. So as you can see, this is the U1 chip location tracking. So it tracks the precise location of the AirTag. And one more thing, so in US this AirTags, it costs $29 for one and $99 for a pack of 4. So here it costs rupees 3190, which is around 43 USD. It's almost 50% more. And again we have the leather ring here. So this is again from Apple. So this is the simple packaging that we get. Let me pull this, and this is a normal keyring. So as you can see, and it's of very high, very good quality one. So here you can see the designed by Apple in California, and it's of a pretty snug fit and pretty good leather quality. And let me put it in this way, so you can put it in either way. So let me have it. So it's strapped on, and now we have the AirTag ready to rock and roll. Another feature is that we have lost mode. So if you ever have to lose your product, so then you can track it with the network of iOS devices around. So there are multitude of Apple products like iPhone, iPad, or MacBook or anything. So it can track down your location and without any issue with the privacy of the other users. So that's what Apple claims. So right now let's check the precision tracking. So right now I have the Find My app fired up, and with the iPhone 11 and above, so you can have this particular precision tracking. So right now it's not even getting me the range, so I'm just trying to find it. So it's using Bluetooth Low Energy here, so it's not using any network or something like that. So as you can see, it has found this, and it gives me the direction, so where I have to go. So it turns black if I turn on some other direction, and it turns to green if I'm heading towards the AirTag, and it's around here. So also, like if it is in a same floor or different floor, it will give you the height. So depending on that, you can get the location of the AirTag. So as you can see, it is somewhere around here at the bottom. Can you see that? Yeah, here we found the AirTag. So well, if you're a type of person who misplaces things quite often, and mainly if you're in the Apple ecosystem, this is a brilliant product. So you don't have to replace it, or like once the battery is dead or something, so it has user replaceable battery. So it's a one-time investment. So if you're into this ecosystem, and if you tend to lose your objects or like product quite often, so this is a no-brainer. So apart from that, yeah, this is gonna be a hit product. backed up with a brilliant Apple ecosystem. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching and stay safe, always mask up, and as always, peace.